Hi everyone, I'm Maria Lawton and welcome to Maria's Portuguese Table. Today I'm going to be sharing with you a family recipe, a recipe that my mom and my grandmother would make all the time. It's called Biscuits de nata, or biscuits with cream. Now, growing up, every cookie jar was filled with these biscuits. They were made for unexpected company or family coming over. We'd always have biscuits ready, as well as at the end of the evening, it would be a special treat with a nice big cup of tea. So today I'm going to show you exactly how to make them, how easy it is, and that you'll be able to enjoy it with your family.
This recipe will make 4 dozen cookies. Preheat your oven at 350 Fahrenheit. You'll need 8 cups of flour, 1 pint of heavy cream, 2 cups of sugar, 4 large eggs, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1.5 cups of butter at room temperature, 1 tablespoon of lard, also at room temperature, 1 teaspoon of salt, and zest of 1 lemon. Slightly grease your baking trays or line with parchment paper. In an extra large bowl, combine flour, baking powder, and salt. Mix well and leave aside. In a separate large bowl, using a hand mixer, cream together the butter and lard. Mix in the sugar and eggs and beat together at high speed until creamy. Then add the heavy cream and beat for another 2 minutes. Once everything is well incorporated, mix in the lemon zest. Now push the flour to the side of the bowl, creating a well. Then slowly pour the creamy mixture in, and with a mixing spoon, start to blend everything together until the dough gets too hard to mix. When that happens, you will knead the rest by hand. Flour your work surface and place the dough on it, and continue to knead until you form a large ball. Now you can start taking pieces of dough and rolling them out into small shapes, such as balls or a wreath. Place your shapes of dough on the baking tray and bake for about 15 to 20 minutes until they are golden brown.
Once the biscuits cool down, you're going to notice the aroma of lemon from the lemon zest that you used, and it smells wonderful. Now, the biscuits are very moist because you've used the cream and you've used a lot of butter. Now, the outside shell is nice and crispy. The whole combination is such a beautiful and delicious cookie. It's a very easy recipe to make. It's something that I know you're going to enjoy, and you're going to be making it several times over for your family and friends. And with that, bon appetit.